Hi Andarki, Namaste, good morning, and I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful fancy Banarasi collections and budget friendly sarees, beautiful color combinations. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collection. The saree which I am wearing is beautiful. Parrot green, sea green and peacock green mixed combinations. Beautiful fancy Banarasi saree with skirt border. Huge booties vachayandi, and downside we got very pretty kaddi border with curve lines and florals. And this is the lovely pallu, complete curve lines with florals, and blouse vachesi contrast. Ee blouse vastundi with border. And ee saree pricing and details 4,960. Take a screenshot along with the code I571. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandir ni like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notification. Let's see another pretty saree. Beautiful magenta pink with maroon color combination, all over floral booties. Border is Paithani style contrast border with multicolor florals, parrots and beautiful peacocks. Pallu is Paithani style, rich kaddi pallu with huge floral booties, flower vases. And the blouse is contrast with border. And ee saree pricing and details 8,080 rupees. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very gorgeous saree. Wow, lovely yellow with pink color combination. all over dollar booties. Border వచ్చేసి contrast with diamond brocade, zigzag and floral vines. This is the pallu. Geometric florals వచ్చాయండి, floral booties with kadi lines and beautiful pastellays. And blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree, pricing 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally and international shipping undi. Alage cash and delivery option kuda undi Hyderabad lo unde vallaki. So grab this beautiful sarees. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely sea green with orange color combination. All over floral booties. Border is contrast with floral vines and cross cutty. Pallu వచ్చేసి huge pastellays with leaves and ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి బ్లాక్స్ లో మనకి రాజు థీమ్ వచ్చిందండి, కింగ్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది, weave along with the border. And this is the blouse, contrast with border, orange color. And beautiful saree, pricing and details 6,240 offer price. Take a screenshot along with the code H279 and send us on 733 733 7000. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, and one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. Another beautiful saree, lovely red with all over bandhani booties and patola design వచ్చింది. అక్కడ parrots, peacocks and tigers వచ్చాయి, very pretty. Border వచ్చేసి mandlas, round florals. This is the pallu, complete floral brocade. Blouse is contrast with border, orange color. And the beautiful saree, pricing and details 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree, beige and gold. And ఇది tissue saree అండి. Very pretty and pink border వచ్చింది, contrast floral vines తో. మధ్యలో అంతా floral jal and beautiful pallu, contrast with pastellays and floral booties along with the floral vines border. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. And the saree price 5,840. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Sarees anni budget friendly sarees ani nenu చూయించేవన్నీ very reasonable prices. Semi Banarasi silk sarees. Another gorgeous saree, lovely maroon color, wine one maroon color, all over checks with floral booties, and the border is floral vines, contrast border. And this is the pallu, cross florals with floral vines border, and the blouse is contrast with border. Superb ga undandi, chaala beautiful ga undi color combination. And ee saree pricing and details 4720. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. One more beautiful saree, semi Banarasi Georgette with all over pasleys, beautiful border with cross diamonds and lines. Pallu completely jal with diamonds, and this is the gorgeous blouse, contrast with zari lines and border. And the saree pricing and details 4480. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. And if you want any color combinations, you can mention in the comment box and నేను చూపిస్తాను. Beautiful pink self color, very pretty saree, chaala baagundandi color, very bright and beautiful, and all over floral booties, and border vachesi self color with pasleys and meenakari cross kaddi border. Pallu complete cross kaddi brocade with pasley border, meenakari, and blouse kuda self color ochindandi, self blouse with border. You can go for contrast green color or yellow color, everything goes very well, or else you can go for this like this blouse. And for such kind of beautiful blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique collections. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. And e saree pricing and details 4960. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. It's a green color, fancy Banarasi, all over floral jal with gold and silver zari, and the border is floral vines border. Pallu complete floral brocade with floral vines border. Blouse self color plain with border. And beautiful saree pricing and details 4480. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available lo undi. And indaka చూయించాను కదండి pink color, beautiful color. ఒక్కసారి ఆ సారీ లుక్ చూసేద్దాం. Let's see another pretty saree. Yeah, gold and red, superb saree andi, superb, chala baagundi. It's a tissue saree ఆల్ ఓవర్ క్రాస్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ వచ్చాయి అండ్ దాని లోపల మనకి ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్ కూడా వచ్చాయి గోల్డ్ అండ్ సిల్వర్ సారీతో. And the border is contrast with cross lines and florals along with the floral vines border. And this is the pallu, diamonds with floral booties along with the cross diamonds and booties. And gorgeous blouse contrast with zari lines and border. And the beautiful saree, pricing and details 6,320. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Very gorgeous saree and gold and red color, very pretty saree. Ramya garu check saree adigaru kadandi. Here is it. Check saree with paithani border, very gorgeous color and wine color. All over checks, saree checks with floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉంది, వెరీ ప్రెటీ. ఫ్లోరల్స్, ప్యారెట్స్ అండ్ పికాక్స్. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి పైథనీ స్టైల్, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్స్, ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ విత్ ప్యారెట్స్ అండ్ పికాక్స్. అండ్ ఈ సారీకి కంప్లీట్ పైథనీ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చింది. Here is the blouse, very gorgeous and beautiful saree. And e saree pricing and details 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code G601 and send us on 733-733-7000. Very pretty saree. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely orange self color, all over floral booties. Downside we got very pretty beautiful peacocks and floral vines, and the border is diamond brocade with edge contrast. And this is the pallu, kaddi with paithani style huge peacock booties. And the blouse is too good and a very gorgeous blouse. See, complete paithani with florals. Ultimate undandi saree blouse combination. And ee saree pricing and details 5,280. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733-733-7000. Ramya garu, another check saree and it's in pink and navy blue combination. All over big checks with patola style ochindi. Lovely checks with parrots, elephants, and border వచ్చేసి double border with peacock and elephants. Pallu completely leaf brocade along with the peacock and elephant border. Blouse is contrast with border. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ వచ్చేసి 6,320. టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద కోడ్ I561. సెండ్ us on 733-733-7000. 733-733-7000. బ్యూటిఫుల్. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Navy blue saree, very gorgeous. Patola style again. All over round booties వచ్చాయి. దాని లోపల elephants వచ్చాయండి, zari booties. Diamonds లో florals వచ్చాయి. Very pretty. Border వచ్చేసి paithani style ఉంది. Floral jal with peacocks and lotus along with the munia booties. And lovely pallu. Kaddi pallu paithani style with florals and peacocks, very gorgeous. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి సూపర్బ్గా ఉందండి, నావీ బ్లూ బ్రొకేడ్ బ్లౌజ్. ఈ సారీ కూడా డీటెయిలింగ్ చూసేద్దాం. చాలా లవ్లీగా ఉంది. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 6,960. నేను ఇందాక చూపించాను కదండి పింక్ అండ్ నావీ బ్లూ, ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. అండ్ ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి లవ్లీ బ్లూ విత్ సీ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్, వెరీ లైట్ పాస్టల్ బ్లూ అండి, గ్రే అండ్ బ్లూ మిక్స్డ్ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంది. వెరీ గార్జియస్, కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ జాల్ అండ్ బార్డర్ ఈజ్ ఫ్లోరల్ వైన్స్ అండ్ క్రాస్ లైన్స్. And this is the pallu, cross diamonds with florals. And this is the blouse, contrast with zari lines and border. And ee saree pricing and details 3,528. Take a screenshot along with the code I50 552 and send us on 733 733 7000. So gorgeous and very reasonable saree andi, Banarasi silk, semi Banarasi silk. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kadandi navy blue saree, beautiful ga undi weave matram. Let's have a look. Now back to our collection. Wow, very lovely saree which is in pink, Georgette saree, all over bandhani booties with floral vines. Border is diamond brocade with florals. And beautiful pallu, complete brocade and floral brocade and with floral booties and floral booties to border. And this is the blouse, self color with lines and border. And this saree pricing and details 5,520. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, superb saree ostundandi. Lovely Banarasi black color with silver combination. And meeku cheppakkarledandi, kottaga black and silver is amazing combination. Complete floral vines. So stunning saree. Border jesi diamond brocade. This is the pallu, cross kaddi A beautiful black color blouse with border. You can go for contrast silver color blouse andi. Inka superb ga untundi, chaala gorgeous ga untundi with silver blouse aithe. And ee saree pricing and details 3,528 only. Take a screenshot along with the code I564 and send us on 733 733 7000. Ee saree detailing okasari chuseddam. Green and pink tissue saree, all over floral booties with gold and silver drop shape floral booties in cross lines, and border vachesi floral lines with cross kaddi contrast border. Pallu is very gorgeous, contrast pallu with huge floral booties and floral lines border. And this is the contrast blouse with zari lines and border. Chala beautiful ga undi. Color combination is everything is perfect. And the saree pricing is 6,320. Take a screenshot along with the code I65 and send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see black saree. చూసారు కదండి, బ్లాక్ సారీ అయితే అద్రిపోయింది, అది మాత్రం మిస్ చేసుకోకండి. అండ్ లెట్స్ సీ అనదర్ గార్జియస్ సారీ. అండ్ బిఫోర్ దాట్ ఫాలో us రెగ్యులర్లీ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ పేజ్. అండ్ అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. Let's see our saree. Beautiful navy blue, all over floral booties and border వచ్చేసి పైథనీ స్టైల్లో ఉంది. కడ్డీ border with geometric florals and leaves. Pallu is Pythoni style, complete kaddi with floral booties in geometric style. And this is the blouse, self color, plain with border. And the saree pricing and details 5,760. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. So beautiful, chala lovely ga undi saree. Next saree. And for more collections log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And this gorgeous saree is in light orange, gold and pink color combination, all over beautiful roses and leaves brocade, complete ga brocade ochindi. And lovely pink color border with paisleys, cross diamonds. Very pretty. Pallu zigzag brocade and paisley booties, kaddi with paisley booties in the middle. And gorgeous blouse in the contrast with zigzag border. And each saree pricing and details 7,280. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000 and the price 7,280. Beautiful saree, complete brocade ochindi, very pretty color combination. All sarees are too good and too beautiful. And another Georgette saree, Wow, wine color with Pythonese style border. All over zari lines with florals, floral booties, and border vachesi Pythonese style border, very rich and royal border. Lovely wine and red combination, and pallu vachesi complete Pythony with florals and mania booties, and the blouse vachesi different blouse andi. This is the blouse, Pythony blouse complete. And ee saree pricing and details 8,160. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Yellow and pink. Sunanda garu yellow and pink adigaru kadandi. This is for you. Sunita garu yellow and pink saree andi, all over floral booties. Border vachesi kaddi border with florals, and lovely pallu complete kaddi with florals, geometric style lo vachayi. And this is the blouse, self color with border. And ee saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code G310 and send us on 733 733 7000. Price is 4,960. Chala beautiful ga undi kada. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, superb saree andi, very pretty. Red and yellow, mustard yellow, very soft. All over floral booties vachayi, and border vachesi floral vines, contrast border. Pallu is completely diamond brocade with floral vines border. Too gorgeous and very lovely saree. And this is the blouse, contrast with border. Superb on the fabric is very soft. And the saree pricing and details 4,880. Take a screenshot along with the code I568. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. It's a complete digital printed semi Banarasi silk saree, all over Banarasi. It's a jute fabric. This is the border, curvy lines with florals. Saree anta zari florals and digital printed florals vachayi. Pallu complete kaddi with florals and leaves. And this is the self color blouse with small printed buttas and zari buttas. Along with the border kuda vachindi. This is the border. And ee saree pricing and details 4,560. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. This saree detailing okkari chuseddam. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely pink shade, very gorgeous semi Banarasi silk saree, all over floral vines, cross lines with bandhani booties inside in it, and lovely kaddi border, Pythony style with florals and diamond brocade with edge contrast. Very lovely pallu, kaddi with pastel booties, highlighted with meena, along with the border, floral vines border. Blouse vachesi self color plain with border. You can go for bottle green blouse. Chala beautiful ga undi color combination. Ee saree pricing and details 6400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Code vachesi H259. So beautiful. Very pretty saree. Chala baagundi color combination. Indaka చూయించాను కదండి beige color, printed and digital printed florals. Let's have a look. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Lovely saree and complete Paithani Banarasi saree. Complete Paithani with floral jal, peacocks and florals. Border vachesi munia border. Pallu vachesi kaddi with flower vases and peacocks and florals along with the border. Blouse is contrast with border, plain blouse with border. And e-saree pricing and details 9680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Code vachesi G295. Let's see this saree overall look. Beautiful magenta pink saree with maroon color. All over floral booties and border vachesi florals and two types of peacocks vachai, flying birds. Border vachesi zigzag kaddi border. Pallu completely kaddi with parrots, flying parrots with florals. And blouse chusidam. Beautiful blouse andi. Paithani style blouse with all over work, meenakari weave, florals. And e saree pricing and details 5280. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree kada. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి కంప్లీట్ పైథని ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. Now back to our collection. Let's see another beautiful saree. Lovely beige with pink combination, very light peachish pink combination, all over floral jal. Very pretty saree. And the border is contrast with floral vines and cross lines with paisleys. This is the pallu, complete diamonds and florals. And this is the blouse. Contrast with zari lines and border. Superb saree andi, lovely combination. And this saree, guess the price andi. I'll just wait. Guess the price for this. Anybody? Beautiful saree price cheppagalara. Yeah, I'll be showing 3,528. 3,528 only. Take a screenshot along with the code I565. Send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful saree andi and chala reasonable price. Chala soft ga undi fabric. Let's see another gorgeous saree. And for customized blouses like this, beautiful blouses, very pretty saree and blouse. Chala unique untundandi, blouses matram chala unique untayi. So ilanti pretty sarees, pretty blouses, lehengas kavalante ganaka contact our brand R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar which is exclusive for the unique designs. If any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Our designing team will get in contact with you and will suggest you with the best and excellent designs. And follow us regularly in Instagram, Facebook, Brand Mandar page. Alage YouTube lo kuda ma channel Brand Mandar ni subscribe cheyandi, like cheyandi, share cheyandi and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you'll be getting notified. Another pretty saree. It's a Georgette saree all over chikankari work, thread embroidery. So beautiful and very lightweight. Very soft and too soft. Border vachesi Pythony style. Florals, peacocks, parrots and leaves. ఇది కొంచెం geometric pattern లో వచ్చింది. Beautiful border. And lovely pallu contrast with flower vases along with the border with lovely peacocks and florals. And the saree blouse, Pythony blouse, and beautiful saree. Pricing and details 9,680. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. So lovely, so graceful. Chala beautiful ga undi saree matram. And let's see another gorgeous saree. And ee sarees e kaakunda migitha sarees chudalante ganaka మీ కన్వీనియంట్ టైం మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి 733 733 7000 అనే నెంబర్కి. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారండి ఆ టైంలో, మీ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో. అండ్ మీకు ఏ కలెక్షన్ చూడాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళకి చెప్తే దే విల్ షో యూ. అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ దాట్ యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ సారీ. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబల్లీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉంది. అండ్ దిస్ గార్జియస్ సారీ ఇస్ ఇన్ yellow and pink combination. Very pretty. All over floral jal with multi-color florals, parrots, peacocks, and border is double munia border, Pythony style, contrast border, pallu, kadi with Pythony style, florals and flower vases with peacocks and parrots. So pretty. And the blouse is contrast with border. ఈ సారీ ఒకసారి డీటెయిలింగ్ చూసిద్దాం. Alopo, just note down the pricing and details. 11,040 rupees. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000 along with the code I549. Let's see the saree in detail. Wow, beautiful Banarasi, semi Banarasi silk saree, purple color all over, floral booties, small and bigger size, and lovely border, beautiful border with florals and paisleys, zigzag kaddi. Pallu complete brocade, floral brocade along with the paisleys. And gorgeous contrast blouse with border. Superb saree. And the saree pricing and details. 4,744. Very beautiful saree at reasonable price. Take a screenshot along with the code I567. Send us on 733 733 7000. ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి yellow saree, ఒక్కసారి చూసేద్దాం. Now back to our collection. Beautiful saree, mango yellow with red combination, maroonish red, complete floral jal, highlighted with meena. Beautiful border, red color with floral vines. This is the pallu, contrast with floral booties, kaddi with floral, huge floral booties along with the floral vines border. And blouse వచ్చేసి contrast with border. And the saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code 7280. Send us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Wow, navy blue with red combination. Base వచ్చేసి navy blue, పైన అంతా thread తో floral jal వచ్చింది and floral booties with zari. Border is zigzag kaddi border. Pallu వచ్చేసి cross lines with florals. And blouse వచ్చేసి self color with border, plain blouse, very beautiful. And the beautiful saree pricing and details. 4,000 rupees only. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful saree. Yes, Andi Radha garu, my saree is a designer semi silk saree, very pretty, superb skirt border వచ్చిందండి. అంటే మనకి border వచ్చేసి మిడిల్ లో వస్తుంది ఫ్లోరల్స్ తో అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కర్వీ లైన్స్ విత్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ క్రాస్ కడ్డీ. Beautiful saree. Saree pricing and details. Take a screenshot along with the code I571. Send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful pallu. చూసారు కదా రాధా గారు. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఇట్ జస్ట్ టేక్ స్క్రీన్షాట్ అండ్ సెండ్ us on 733 733 7000. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Maroonish red, all over floral vines and florals, booties, paisleys, and the border is self color with floral vines border with edge contrast. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి కంప్లీట్ ఫ్లోరల్ బ్రొకేడ్ ఇన్ డైమండ్స్. బ్లౌజ్ ఈజ్ సెల్ఫ్ ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్ విత్ బార్డర్. అండ్ ది బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 4480. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely beige and pink combination, semi Banarasi silk, all over paisley and round booties. Border is contrast with yalis and double peacocks and double yalis in curvy line florals and checks lo round booties vachai. Beautiful pallu with cross diamonds and florals along with the border. Yali and peacock border and checks border with florals. Blouse is contrast with border. And the beautiful saree pricing and details 4000. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And for more collections, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandar.com. Let's see another gorgeous saree. Beautiful saree, georgette with cross diamonds and paisleys with floral bandinis inside, and beautiful border, Pythoni style kadi border with florals and munias. This is the pallu, kadi with munia border and florals. Blouse వచ్చేసి tissue blouse with border. And a beautiful saree pricing and details 7360. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. Lovely green, all over cross floral vines with bandhani buttas. Border వచ్చేసి Pythoni style floral vines and diamond brocade. Pallu rich kaddi with paisley booties. Blouse self plain blouse with border. And this saree pricing and details 6400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Very beautiful. Let's see another pretty saree. Magenta color. All over checks, patola style andi with plant booties, dolls, elephants, parrots. Superb saree. And border is Pythony style, kaddi with Pythony style, florals, parrots and leaves, peacocks. Pallu, Pythony style, rich kaddi pallu with florals and peacocks, parrots. And blouse vachesi complete brocade, very beautiful saree. Superb ga undandi with border. And ee saree pricing and details 7,040 rupees. Take a screenshot and send us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful gold and pink saree, very stunning saree. All over floral booties. Border వచ్చేసి floral vines border contrast with cross kaddi. Pallu contrast with huge floral booties along with the floral vines border. Blouse is contrast with zari lines and border. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది గోల్డ్ విత్ పింక్. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 6,320. టేక్ a screenshot along with the code I110 and send us on 733 733 7000. ఈ సారీ డీటెయిలింగ్ ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ స్టన్నింగ్ సారీ వచ్చేస్తుందండి. గార్జియస్ బ్లాక్ విత్ రెడ్ కాంబినేషన్. టూ గార్జియస్, వెరీ లవ్లీ. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్ బుటీస్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ అండి. Border is Pythony style with parrots, flying birds and peacocks and florals. Pallu contrast with kaddi and flower vases along with the border. And ee saree ki blouse Pythony style, beautiful blouse. And this saree pricing and details 8,640. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 733 733 7000. And ee sarees కాకుండా మిగతా sarees చూడాలనుకుంటే you can WhatsApp us your convenient timings on 733 733 7000 అండి. మా కస్టమర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ మీకు కాల్ చేస్తారు ఆ పర్టికులర్ టైంలో. ఫ్రమ్ స్టోర్లో ఉన్న మిగతా కలెక్షన్స్ కూడా మీరు చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ కూడా మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబలీ విత్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉంది. అండ్ ఇందాక నేను చూపించాను కదండి గోల్డ్ అండ్ పింక్ సారీ, జస్ట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ లుక్ వన్స్. Now last saree for today, very gorgeous pink andi, very pretty pink with florals and beautiful border with zigzag kaddi and floral lines highlighted with meena. Pallu kaddi, rich kaddi with floral vines border and మధ్యలో మనకి heavy parsley booty floral booties వచ్చాయండి. Beautiful blouse, self color plain with border. You can go for contrast green or yellow color, very pretty గా ఉంటాయండి ఆ రెండు. ఈ సారీ కూడా చాలా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్ కి మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. 4960 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code I563 and send us on 7337337000. Here ends with the sarees. ఇప్పుడు Mannequin sarees చూసేసి వాటి ప్రైజెస్ తెలుసుకొని దెన్ ఒక్కసారి మన కలెక్షన్ అలా రివైండ్ చేసేసుకుందాం. అండ్ ఈ బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ వచ్చేసి బ్యూటిఫుల్ సీ గ్రీన్ విత్ పింక్ కాంబినేషన్ లో ఉంది. అల్టిమేట్ గా ఉంది. కంప్లీట్ బ్రొకేడ్ ఫ్లోరల్స్ అండ్ లీవ్స్ తో చాలా స్మూత్ గా ఉందండి సారీ. అండ్ బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి కాంట్రాస్ట్ విత్ పాస్ లేస్ అండ్ కడ్డీ. అండ్ ఈ సారీ ప్రైస్ 7280 offer price. Take a screenshot along with the code G649 and look at the blouse. And the beautiful blouse is from our brand. For customized blouses, contact our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from Brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Let's see another pretty saree. Lovely pink patola style. All over elephant booties and beautiful border, kaddi with Paithani style border with peacocks and florals along with the muniyas. And this saree pricing and details 6960. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand again. Very pretty and exclusive blouses. And next saree, navy blue with maroon color, complete meenakari floral, small and bigger size in the body, and beautiful Paithani border with florals, very colorful florals. And this saree price and details 4960. Take a screenshot along with the code and send us on 7337337000. And this gorgeous blouse is from our brand again. See how cute it is. Lovely kada. Beautiful sarees and pretty blouses from our brand andi. And our blouses anni saree lo included kaadandi. You have to order for separately. And ippudu intavaraku nenu chuvinchina sarees okkasari rewind cheskundam. Let's move to the tables. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Let's move on the table. Let's move to చూసారు కదండి బ్యూటిఫుల్ సెమీ బనారసి సిల్క్ sarees. Hope you liked our today's lovely Banarasi semi Banarasi silk collection. If you like it, any saree, just take a screenshot and send us on 7337337000. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. Cash and delivery option kuda available la undi. And you can visit our store. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10 Banjara Hills, and they both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally within Hyderabad. We are providing cash and delivery option. And ఇవాళ 4 PM లైవ్ మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వకుండా వాచ్ చేయండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ వెంకటగిరి సారీస్. అండ్ ఇంకొక విషయం ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే లైవ్ వీడియో ఉందో దట్ వుడ్ బి సేవ్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, IGTV అండ్ ఫేస్బుక్లో, అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా సేవ్ అయి ఉంటుందండి. సో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా 24 hours మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని మాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్ వీవర్స్ ప్రైజెస్కి మీకు వస్తుంది. And until then, have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care. Love you all.